Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be making sugar covered donuts. You're gonna start off by grabbing 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of yeast and adding it to a bowl. I also add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix. You then want to slowly add in 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Once the mixture thickens, you're going to want to start mixing with your hand. Then you cover it and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the dough has risen, you're going to flatten it out and add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter. You're then going to want to mix it until the butter is thoroughly mixed into the dough. After you've mixed it, you're going to let it sit for another 10 to 15 minutes until the dough has risen again. Afterwards, you're going to section the dough into small pieces. You're then going to use your hands to create that donut shape. And then on medium heat, you're going to grab your donuts and place them in the oil and flip after 2 minutes. You're then going to grab your donut and just coat it with sugar. And here's your finished product.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Bye!